Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutorial Home Wbsedcl. In today's video, I will discuss the solution of test number 3, hence the illumination. Before starting of discussion, I will like to present the name of the student who scored full marks in the test. The name of the student were Punendu, Sodananda Pal and Monisha, who scored 12 out of 12. Congratulations for scoring the full marks. And now the number of students who attempted the test were 50 and the average score was around 7.5. So now start the discussion. First question was candela is a unit of luminous intensity, luminous flux, wavelength and frequency. The correct answer is luminous intensity. Hence option number A. Candela is a unit of luminous intensity. The candela has replaced the standard candle or lamp as a unit of luminous intensity in the calculation involving artificial lighting and is sometimes called new candle. Next question was the purpose of providing choke in a tube light is options were to eliminate corona effect, to avoid radio interference, to improve power factor, to limit current to appropriate value. The correct answer is to limit current to appropriate value, hence option number D. Now, the purpose of the choke is to provide a very high voltage initially between the filaments. Once the gas in the tube is ionized, the choke provides a low voltage. A choke is a coil of wire. Choke performs two functions. One, providing ignition voltage. Second, to limit current to appropriate value. And the next question was the level of illumination on a surface least depend on options were ambient temperature, candle power of the source, distance of the source, type of reflector used. The correct answer is option number A, hence ambient temperature. Now, the level of illumination on a surface least depend on ambient temperature, and this is the average value of candle power in all directions of the surface of the illumination point. The next question was the light is produced in electric discharge lamp by the options were carbon electrode, heating effect of current, magnetic effect of current, ionization in a gas or vapor. The correct answer is option number D. Hence, ionization in a gas or vapor. The next question was 1 lumen per square meter is the same as options were 1 candela, 1 lux, 1 foot candle, 1 stadarian. The correct answer is 1 lux. Now, lux is a unit of illumination. 1 lux is equal to the amount of illumination provided when 1 lumen is uniformly distributed over an area. The next question was the illumination level required for precision work is of the order of options were 10 to 15 lumen per meter square, 15 to 100 lumen per meter square, 100 to 500 lumen per meter square, 500 to 1000 lumen per meter square. The correct answer is 500 to 1000 lumen per meter square, hence option number D. Now, the illumination level required for precision work is of 500 to 1000 lumen per meter square. The intensity of illumination required on the surface is depending on the type of work being done. The next question was the filament lamp operate normally at a power factor of options were unity, 0.5 lagging, 0.8 leading, 0.8 lagging. Correct answer is unity. Hence option number A. Now, a filament lamp is a common type of light bulb. It contains a thin coil of wire called filament. This heat up when an electric current passes through it and produces light as a result. The tungsten is used as a filament in filament lamp. The tungsten temperature in a lamp is about 2800 to 3300 Kelvin, which is resistively heated. Thus, part factor of lamp is negative. The next question was, the total flux of a 250 volt lamp is 1500 lumen and it takes a current of 0.4 ampere. Find the lumen per watt. Here lumen per watt means we have to calculate the lamp efficiency. So here lumen flux given is 1500. We know P equal to Vi. V is given 250 and I is given 0.4. So P is 250 into 0.4 equal to 100 watt, and lamp efficiency or lumen per watt is 1500 divided by 100 equal to 15. Next question was, which of the following is the SI unit of solid angle? Options were radian, degree cubed, steradian and solid angle. The correct answer is option number 3, hence steradian. Next question was, the tube of fluorescent lamp is filled with. Options were the mercury and nitrogen. Option number B, mercury and argon, nitrogen and argon, oxygen and argon. The correct answer is mercury and argon. Now, a fluorescent lamp is a tube which is filled with a gas containing low pressure mercury vapor and the noble gases at a total pressure of about 0.3% of the atmospheric pressure. The noble gases are argon, xenon, neon, krypton. The next question was, the ratio of luminous flux to power input is called. Options were utilization factor, absorption factor, beam factor and lamp efficiency. Correct answer is option number D, hence lamp efficiency. Lamp efficiency is defined as the ratio of luminous flux to power input. Hence efficiency sum luminous flux divided by power input. Next question was, the performance parameter for a white LED lantern is. Options were fixture strength, humidity, illuminance and heat. The correct answer is illuminance, hence option number C. In photometry, illuminance is the total luminous flux incident on a surface per unit area. It is a measure of how much the incident light illuminates the surface. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Thank you. Best of luck. Best of luck for your preparation. So, bye.